What was the bit I was going to say about it?
What song you want to sing now?
When I was singing it earlier today to myself, I was bringing Sturgeon into it because she brought in minimum unit pricing for alcohol. So I was going to say, I would sail 500 miles and I would sail 500 more just to buy a carton of wine for €1, drink it and fall on the floor. Oh, there's no unit pricing here, and you can get a real cheap beer. With Sturgeon made alcohol expensive, but is it?
She's going to jail now.
Well, there's something I was going to sing like that. Soon she's off to jail. Let's all say goodbye to Sturgeon. Something like that. She just caused poverty by making alcohol expensive, you know.
What a bitch.
You come down to Spain and it's €1 for a litre of wine. You know, and you can sit in the evening and have a nice glass of wine without bankrupting yourself, even if you don't earn much money.
So let me just clarify. What is your favorite country in the world?
Well, right now it's Spain, obviously. You know, but,
And why is that?
well, because you can have, it's the way of life. Their way of life, you know, the relaxed way of life.
Cheap booze.
Well, yeah, that
said to me,
that
cheap
enters
booze.
into a relaxed way of life. I mean, in Scotland we don't have a relaxed way of life because booze is so expensive. Because Sturgeon and Co decided to make it minimum at 50p a unit, which they're actually going to raise to 80p a unit. Why don't they just bring in prohibition?
Yeah.
We can all move to England and get drunk.
I'll never forget the first day when you walked in a Spanish supermarket. Your eyes were flashing with excitement. And you said, did you see how cheap the booze is here?
Yeah.
One bottle of rum is like €5.
Well, it should be that cheap. I mean, when I read the Bible, Jesus gave everyone it for free. He turned the water into wine. And apparently it was the best wine. Because they said, why did you keep the best wine for when everybody's drunk?
Mm-hmm. I love you, baby. God bless you.
Yeah, I love you too.
But while I'm away, I don't want you drinking. I want you to eat good food. Do you promise me that?
Yeah, I promise you that. I promise you that there's going to be a lot of work done.
No, all I want to know is that you're going to be eating good food.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that because I'm kind of slapdash with that, but I promise you that there's going to be a lot of work done. It's going to be a project a day. Project a day, project a day. When you go away, there'll be a project a day. I'll get it done, and in the sun.